Hey there, welcome to UniOne Email API YouTube channel. If you've ever worked with email marketing or even just tried to send a regular email, you probably know that sinking feeling. You hit send, expecting your beautifully crafted message to go out into the world, and instead, failed to send email. After spending hours designing the perfect email, setting everything up, suddenly nothing works. And your entire campaign is on hold. So what's going on? Why won't your email send? If you've been asking yourself that question, you're in the right place. So let's start with the basics. What does that message, failed to send email, actually mean? Well, it's a generic error, and that's part of the problem. It doesn't always tell you what exactly went wrong, just that something did. Usually it pops up right after you hit the send button. But sometimes the failure notice shows up later in your inbox, making it even harder to catch. This kind of error can be triggered by a whole bunch of things, from internet connection issues, to incorrect server settings, to something in the message itself. And because there are so many possible causes, troubleshooting can be frustrating. You might spend hours guessing unless you know where to look. But don't worry, that's exactly what we're here for. Let's walk through the top reasons your emails might not be sending. Here's a quick list of what we'll cover. Now let's walk through the most common reasons why your emails might be stuck in the outbox and what you can do about each of them. Reason number 1. Internet connection issues. Let's start with the simplest one, your internet connection. It might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this causes trouble. Most email clients let you compose emails while you're offline, but they won't always tell you right away that you're not connected. So before anything else, make sure you're actually online. Reason number 2, email server problems. Even if your internet's working fine, the email server you're sending through might be down. This kind of outage is usually temporary, but here's the catch. You won't get a clear notification. That's why it's a good idea to manually check your email provider's status page or contact support to see if they're reporting any known issues. Reason number 3, incorrect SMTP settings. If you've just set up a new email client or reinstalled one, your outgoing mail settings might not be configured properly. With a wrong port number or server address, your email won't go anywhere. So double-check your SMTP server, port, encryption type, and credentials. Reason number 4, authentication problems. Still not sending? It might be an authentication issue. This usually means your username or password is incorrect, or in some cases, your account has been blocked by the mail server administrator. It could be due to too many failed login attempts or a policy violation. Either way, check your login credentials and contact support if needed. Reason number 5, email sending limits. Most email servers, especially external ESPs, impose sending limits. You might hit a cap on how many emails you can send per hour, per day, or per recipient. If you've recently sent a bulk campaign or exceeded your plan, this might be what's stopping your messages. Reason number 6, malformed messages. This one's a bit more technical. If you're using a custom script or in-house tool to send emails, there could be a bug in the code. Something as simple as a missing header or incorrect formatting can cause the message to be rejected by your SMTP server. So if you're generating emails programmatically, run a validation check. Reason number 7, outgoing spam filters. Some SMTP servers have spam filters for outgoing mail too. If your email gets flagged internally before it even leaves the server, it might be blocked right there. So if nothing else seems wrong, it's worth contacting support to check whether the outbound spam filter settings are getting in the way. Important note, recipient-side issues are not the cause. Here's something a lot of people get wrong. Problems on the recipient's side, like full inboxes, wrong addresses, or spam filters, won't trigger a failed to send email error. Those issues usually result in bounces, not sending failures. So for now, you can rule them out. Alright, so your email won't send, and now you want to fix it. Check all the points mentioned above, and if you're running marketing campaigns through an email service provider via API, ensure these points have been reviewed. First, check your app's configuration according to your ESP's documentation. Then make sure your account is still active, not blocked or suspended. Review any recent changes to your app, like upgrades or plugin updates. And finally, don't hesitate to contact the support team of your provider. Now that last step can be tricky, depending on your ESP. Some providers don't offer real-time support or make you wait forever for a reply. That's one of the reasons why teams choose UniOne. We provide 24/7 live chat support, so you're never stuck waiting when your emails won't send. So there you have it. Whether it's a connection issue, server error, or misconfigured setting, now you know how to fix it. Sure, sometimes you can troubleshoot things yourself. But when you can't, it's crucial to have support that's fast, helpful, and always there. That's what UniOne is built for. With a powerful API, automation features, a free trial, and round-the-clock support, UniOne makes email delivery stress-free. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip.